Social media. It's everywhere. Millions of people sharing anything and everything that happens in their lives. But social media isn't simply a way to show off vacation photos or announce that you're eating the best hot dog ever. Social media has profoundly changed the way people interact and communicate, personally and professionally. And it has already fundamentally changed the way we do business. 90% of consumers trust peer recommendations that they find on social media sites, so a great experience can cause referrals to multiply exponentially online. Maybe that's why 80% of all US businesses have a Facebook page. Why 53% of the millions of consumers who use Twitter recommend products and services in their tweets. Why 71% of everyone on social media are more likely to purchase from a brand they follow online. Why nearly half of all marketers have found a new customer on LinkedIn this year. And why 91% of localized searches use Facebook to find local businesses. Businesses like yours. All across the country, businesses of all shapes and sizes, including small or even solo operations, are successfully using social media to prospect for new customers and retain and further engage existing ones. They realize that their market is getting younger and that these generations view using social media as everyday behavior. But you have a business to run. You have customers to serve. Where are you going to find the time to begin using social media effectively or create relevant content that will connect with new and existing customers? That's where 5-Star Professional can help. 5-Star Professional can provide real estate, mortgage, and insurance professionals like you with social media tools to help you engage clients and prospects, deepen relationships, increase customer loyalty, and establish even more professional connections, all to help you drive new quality referrals and grow your business. Introducing the 5-Star Professional Social Media Presence Package. This package delivers 4 social announcements that promote you to your network of clients, prospects, colleagues, friends, and family. They deliver the exciting news that you are now a part of a select group, a 5-Star Professional Award winner. Each announcement is tailored specifically for you and connects everyone to all of your online activities. The Social Media Presence Package also includes a custom interactive photo emblem you can feature on your homepage or personal page. This interactive emblem embeds a high-resolution photo with personalized content to showcase your business and achievements. It's a versatile, powerful way to create impact with measurable results. And the Social Media Presence Package provides a featured rotation on the 5-Star Professional website that's search optimized, and when a potential customer clicks on your photo, it links them directly to your online video profile. This unique Social Media Presence Package is available only to 5-Star Professional Award winners like you, and it's designed to help you take your success to an even higher level. We invite you to find out more about how 5-Star Professional can help you create a stronger online presence and maximize your marketing efforts. All you have to do is contact your 5-Star Professional account manager at 1-888-438-5782 to find out more about the Social Media Presence Package.